mahiwagang red ball. Ngayon. Yan po guys, family. Tikman po natin ang ating corn beef. Wow, bagong luto. Sarap. Yan po guys, family. Tikman natin nga. Wow. Family guys, malambot na yung ano. Malambot na po yung patata. Guys, hi family. Ulam for tonight. Ito po, masarap po ito. Magkakatay tayo ng corn beef. Corn beef. Ayan, sarap po yan. Bago pong bili namin yan sa warehouse. Ayan, tignan natin yan kung masarap. Ating ingredients, corn beef, patatas, potato, onion and garlic, sibuyas, bawang sibuyas. Lagyan po natin konting door seasoning, pepper, at ang ating salt and pepper. Mantika. Konting ano po yan. Ayan po. Bawang, sinama ko na po. Lalagay natin yung ano. Yo! Yan, natututo na tayo mag ano po, tip-top. Alright guys, family, see you later. Ginigisa po natin yung bawang sibuyas. Tignan po natin yung ating ano, buksan na po natin yung corned beef natin. Ito, easy open can. Ayan. Easy open can. Wow! Beautiful. Bango, corned beef. See you later guys. Nor seasoning. Ayan. Pepper. Yeah. Alright family guys, haluin natin ng konti. Yeah. Sarap guys family. Alright, lagay po natin ng onion. Yung ginisa po natin kanina, lagay natin sa toppings po yan. Corned beef with onion. Alright. Beautiful. Family, hi guys. Ulam for tonight. Ayan po, tikman na po natin yung corned beef natin sa plain rice. Ayan po, musok pa yung plain rice natin. Ayan po, family guys. Yung corned beef po natin, medyo chunky po to. Tsaka po, very tasty. Ayan po. Ano po yan? Warehouse yan. Sarap yan. Sa pantikim guys, family. Wow. Sarap. Ulam for tonight. Family guys. Corned beef with patatas, potato, and onion. Beautiful.